So lately, I've been seeing a lot of these motivational self-improvement type of videos popping up on my For You page. And most of them get millions of views. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own motivational TikToks and Instagram Reels to make money. So I did some research and realized that in all of those videos, the voiceover is the same thing.
It's this voice. And I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the best AI voices I've heard.
Don't worry, I will teach you step by step how you can get this exact voiceover among other things. So let's get started.
Step 1. Create a script.
As always, ChatGPT is the perfect tool for this. Now, unlike my other videos where we generate lengthy scripts, the scripts we are generating today should be around 2 to 3 sentences long. And they should have some deep meaning to let the viewer watch it several times before completely grasping the meaning so that we can get about 3 to 4 views from each individual viewer. Alright, so I ran several prompts and this prompt is what worked for me. It generated some really good quotes that I can use. If you won't use this exact same prompt, you can copy it from the description box of this video. Step 2. Recording the voiceover. Like I said before, we're going to be using a specific voice model to do the voiceover. You can go to 11labs.io and sign in using your Google account. Now before continuing, I should mention that the free version only allows you to use 10,000 characters. And you can increase this to 30,000 characters by paying $5 a month. Now in the beginning, 10,000 characters are more than enough to work with, and once you do make money from this method, you could easily update to a paid plan and get more characters. However, if you really want to use more characters and can afford it, and you also happen to not care about what's legal and what's not, you can go to this timestamp on my previous video to figure out a way to get unlimited characters for free. Now that tutorial was for a different website, but you could use that same method in this website as well. Anyways, after signing in, you can paste your quotes here and then you have to click here to select a voice model. That specific voice I said earlier is the voice model of Adam. So you can select Adam, and if you want, you could mess with the voice settings, but I'd say just leave it on default settings. Then you can hit generate and download the voiceover. Step 3. Finding background videos. Finding stock videos for free is kinda hard. But when you're just getting started, you could use Pixabay to find cinematic videos. And as always, when you start making money, you could buy a Storyblock subscription for $30 a month. Now you'll notice that although these video clips fits our videos, they don't really have that motivational vibe because they're colorful and vibrant. Now don't worry, I'll show you how you can turn them into a more darker tone, but for now just download some clips and save them. Step 4. Adding music. Now this part is a bit tricky because you have to use copyright-free music. But on Instagram Reels, it's not that big of a deal to use copyrighted music because you make money mainly through sponsorships and selling your own products. And when it comes to TikTok and YouTube Shorts, you can select the music in your videos to prevent getting a copyright violation. However, I still suggest that it's better if you can use copyright-free music just to be on the safe zone. As always, to get most copyright-free music, you need to pay a subscription. But in the beginning, you could find some copyright-free music from YouTube. Step 5. Edit the video. To edit the video, you can choose any type of free video editor like CapCut or Clipchamp. In this video, I'll use Clipchamp, so if you want to follow along exactly like I do, it's better if you use it as well. First, go to clipchamp.com and sign in using your Google account. After that, click on create a new video. Then what you need to do is click on the aspect ratio button and choose 9:16. After that, you can easily drag and drop all your assets and then you can start editing. You can drag and drop your videos and then do the same with the voiceovers and then sync them up. Also, drag your music and make sure to lower the volume until you can clearly hear the voiceover. Now you need to position the beat drop of the music right before the final line of the voiceover so that the viewer will feel motivated when the video ends and most probably watch it again. I also suggest to use subtitles as it will help the viewer keep their focus on the video without zoning out and swiping to the next video. Now after everything is done, it's time to color grade the clips. You can click on a clip and then click on adjust color. Now as I said earlier, you need to get a dark vibe from these videos. And to do that, you need to lower the exposure and increase the contrast and saturation of the clip. You can also lower the temperature of the clip to increase the blue tone of the clip. Now you can fiddle with them until you find the right balance, then you can repeat it with the rest of the clips. Once you're done, you can click export and click on 1080p and then download the video.
Excuses are the poison of progress. The clock is ticking. Don't waste another moment making excuses when you could be making history.
Step 6. Upload the video. Now you can upload the video to TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Now remember, you won't go viral immediately, but if you post at least 4 to 5 videos a week every month, you will go viral in your first 3 months and you can start making quite a bit of money out of this. But again, you need to be committed and work hard to see results quickly. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.